Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cooking Side. My name is Pawan and today I am excited to share a delightful recipe for Egg Benedict with smoked salmon that will elevate your breakfast experience. Let's get started. For this dish, you'll need just a few ingredients: 2 eggs, English muffins, and fresh spinach. Step 1. Begin by simmering some water in a pot and adding a splash of vinegar. This helps the eggs poach perfectly. Give the water a gentle whisk to create a whirlpool effect before carefully pouring in your egg. While the egg is poaching to creamy perfection, take your English muffins and toast them with butter until they are golden brown. As they toast, saute some fresh spinach in butter until it's wilted and flavorful. Step 2. Now egg is poached beautifully and resting on a paper towel to soak up any excess water. It's time to plate. Start with the toasted English muffins as your base. Add the sauteed spinach on top, followed by generous slices of smoked salmon, and finally crown it all with that perfectly poached egg. Step 3. Pour rich hollandaise sauce over the eggs for that classic touch, then sprinkle some fresh parsley or chives for added flavor and presentation. And there you have it. Your stunning Egg Benedict with smoked salmon is ready to impress. Please share this video with your friends or family who would love this recipe as much as you do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious creations.